Indian Premier League 2026 match number 12 Kolkata Knight Riders vs Punjab Kings. Match no result due to rain. Match number 13 Rajasthan Royals vs Mumbai Indians. Match played at Barsapara Cricket Stadium, Guwahati. 11-over game due to rain. Mumbai Indians won the toss, elected to field first. Rajasthan Royals 11-over 150 runs lost by 3 wickets. Jaiswal is the highest scorer, 77 runs, 32 balls. Then Mumbai Indians best bowling spell, Allah Ghajanfar, 2 overs no maiden, 21 runs, 2 wickets taken. Mumbai Indians 11-over 123 runs lost by 9 wickets. Sherfan Rutherford is the highest scorer, 25 runs, 8 balls. Then Rajasthan Royals best bowling spell, Nandre Barzar, 2 overs no maiden, 21 runs, 2 wickets taken. Rajasthan Royals won by 27 runs in this match. Player of the match, Jaiswal. Congratulations, Rajasthan Royals.